Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. And what we have here is a magnetic pole identifier. So we got blue, we got red. Okay, we got south, we got north. Now, in the middle here, we've got nothing. You move it closer to the south, you get some south, but in the middle here, we got nothing. Okay? So when we spin it, we get a crisp we move it closer to the coil on the back side of the coil here, we can still feel the magnetic field pulsing through it. So all the way to right about here, where it's all south, not getting anything off of this, and that's not right. It should have something, right? The iron core, or 40% iron core, should have some magnet when it get magnetized, right? Okay, so you saw that right there. That's north-south. And I'll turn the motor on. I'll explain the circuit a little better. And the coil. So they're both wound clockwise, both coils, right? But I put the beginning of this one in. The power goes into the beginning of this one, and the power goes into the end of that one. And that's all I did, really. And then I did the same thing with the triggers in each one, so they added up. And so you got a north, and then the south goes all the way out to here. And that's part of the magnets right there. So all this out back here, back EMF, are magnetic. The south end of the coil is what's happening there. See, so now the magnets are affecting it, and then you back out a little bit more. Magnets are no longer affecting it because there's north-south magnets, right? Right. Okay. But we get the south all the way out to right about here. So that's definitely, you know, an example of what's going on there. And then alright, so other than it being even more complicated than it was before, there's only one power input. Only this coil is plugged into the power supply. So it filters through this coil and then this SG. And this SG is connected to the other coil. And its trigger is connected, you know, it's all connected. So each one has its own trigger, but it's being run by the SG, the second coil. Alright, now let's see if we can get this one going. 15.1 watts, pretty much. It's fluctuating between 1 amp and 0.9 amps, 15.1 volts in. This is 15 watts going in. This is a 100-volt LED, and it's not being lit very, very brightly or intently, but it's a 100-watt LED. This is a north-south 4-magnet configuration with some really powerful magnets. And it is running. It is working. Alright, let's get a reading. I'm going to go over to the tach meter, not the tach meter, but let's get a tach meter reading now that I think about it. .554, so 555 basically. So that is not good. You know, I think that the monopole goes way faster. But we're running some experiments here. So AC voltage coming off my big blue coil over here is 56 volts. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some changes. It's all right. Got that. McDonald's wave. Little bump in the middle. It's only 25 hertz, man. There's something not right now. But I'm gonna go monopolar again. There's something that I'm either missing, or it's not supposed to go fast for me, or something like that. So that's 15 watts. 15 volts and 1 amp. Awesome. And a light to cap it all off. Like this light right here, this SG, you can tell that it's running because the light's on. Just very dimly. And then over here, both of these lights are on. You can tell it's running. Alright. Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a good night. Please subscribe. And while I change this up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.